I'm back with a pickup which is not from Nike.com, or it's not even a Nike. Furthermore, it's not even Adidas. Furthermore, it's not even Puma. Furthermore, it's not even Reebok. Well, it's from Amazon, as you can see. And before I get into it, I've trapped you now. So I'd like to tell you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I need to get to 1 trillion views or something, man. Alright, let's get into this. Gotta rip it open like a caveman. That's enough. So as you can kind of tell by the box, if you can tell, or if you can't tell, this is actually my first Vans pickup in a few years. I haven't bought Vans since like 2014, 2013. I think 2014 was the last time I bought Vans. But now I bought some. I don't know, I'm just changing it up a bit, trying to change the style. You know, summertime is coming. Oh man, I didn't even do the box thing. Listen, we'll pretend that never happened. I'll close the box. We'll read out the name first. Filmore Decon canvas. So dress BLS True Navy. I don't know what dress BLS is. I got a 9.5 as I did before. Hopefully they still fit good. Now let me rewind. Boom. So pair of, they're not the old school, but they're not the new ones or whatever. I don't know. I think they're kind of new. I got them for a very good price, £30. And just go through them. So obviously, as all Vans do, they come with this little hang tag that says Vans off the wall. Vans there on the tongue. White laces, you know, a bit of a different blue. That is actually leather or fake leather, whatever. Vans off the wall, as all the Vans have those. I don't know the government name for this. Call it gum sole, whatever they call it, the pattern. I'm not really into Vans. I just bought these because summertime is coming and I think they'll look really good, and you know, some lightweight trainers. I really like them. Obviously I will be showing what they look like on foot. Plenty more videos coming because the summertime pickups are about to get crazy. Just a quick one, yeah. They all have this insole, and they all have like the canvas material. Don't know what else to really say about these, to be honest. I don't want to waste too much of your time. And yeah, if you like them, tell me. If you don't, you can also tell me, but don't be rude. On foot video coming soon. Take care.